Welcome back to maths class, children. Today we are going to start exercise 5.5. Before starting this exercise, let us do some important definition that used in this exercise to answer the questions given in that. Now, first definition, perpendicular lines. You might be heard about perpendicular lines. Okay, if two lines intersect each other at right angle, okay, intersect means cut each other at what angle? 90 degree. So such lines are called, what are these lines called? Perpendicular lines. Okay, so suppose I have drawn here two lines. Here I have drawn two lines here, L line and this is M line. Okay, so what are these called? L and M lines perpendicular to L line, we will write like this, and perpendicular to line M. This is the way to present symbolically this. Okay, now we are going to start. And what are the parallel lines? One more thing, parallel lines, if two lines will not intersect at any point, okay, and having the distance between them equal everywhere, they will have equal distance everywhere, so such lines are called parallel lines. Okay, so there are two types of lines we have to learn about this exercise. First question, which of the following are the models for perpendicular line? The adjacent edges of a table, adjacent edges on of the table, children. When you will see the top of table, you will see that such type of uh, top will be there. So which angle here? Adjacent edges will have 90 degrees. So I hope you understood the that will be perpendicular. What will you write? Adjacent edges of a table top will have which? Perpendicular lines, will have perpendicular lines. The lines of railway track, just now I have shown you, if two lines go parallel to each other, these will never intersect each other at any point. So this is not a model of perpendicular lines. Understood, children? So this is not the model of perpendicular lines. Now next one, children, here the line segment forming letter L. Okay, this one which angle? 90 degrees. So this is the, yes, this is the model. So this is yes, this one yes, and this is not, and this is also not. Okay, understood about that? This is not the V, letter V is not the model for perpendicular lines. Now next question, let P be the perpendiculars to the line segment XY. Okay, so I am drawing here. Then let PQ and XY intersect at point A. What is the measure of PAY, children? So I hope you understood. P, what they asked, PQ and XY. Which two lines they asked about? PQ and XY. I am going to rub this one. Okay, now here they asked about line segments, so we have to draw line segments here. Okay, not line. P Q, this is P, this is Q, and this one X, this one Y. At which angle these are going to meet with each other? At point A, and this angle will be 90 degrees. So PA Y will be 90 degree. Measure of that angle will be 90. This was your question. Okay, these two line segment intersecting at point A, and which angle will be formed? What is the measure of angle PAY? That will be 90 degree, because two lines which are perpendicular to each other will intersect at right angle. Okay, now we are going to start question number 3. Third question, there are two set squares in your box. What are the measure of the angles that are formed at their corner? Do they have any angle measure that is common? Yes, it will be. You have seen in your geometry box when you have purchased, there are two set squares are coming. Okay, and if I will draw a rough figure of that set square, will like that one figure, that is 190-degree angle, and these two will be of measure 45-degree and 45-degree. Understood? And one another set square that will be of greater length. Okay, this will be 90-degree. Okay, and one angle, this will be 60-degree, this will be, and that will be 30-degree. So what is common between these two set square? These two angles are common. So I hope you understood this. Yes, the angle measure 90-degree is common in the both the set squares. Understood, children? So I hope you understood this sum also. Now I am going to start next fourth question from this figure. Study the diagram. Line L is perpendicular to line M. This is line L. Okay, this one. And this one is line M. You can see that cursor is moving. Okay, line M. This is line L and this is line M. First question, CE. What is that? CE is equal to EG. CE. Where is CE? This one is equal to EG. Yes, CE, children, CE 2 units. 1, 2. Okay, CE is equal to 2 units. 2 units. And EG is also equal to EG. EG. 2 units. Okay, so both are, therefore CE is equal to EG. Okay, so this is the way you have to write for others also. Yeah, reason because they were asked the question is. Okay, now next question, does PE bisect CG? Yes, it bisects. Why PE bisects CG? Because both sides, this CE, both sides CE and EG having measure 2 units or equal length measure, so it will bisects. Okay, BE bisects, this is PE bisects CG, C2G. These are 2 unit and that side also 2 unit. Now next question, identify any two line segment for which PE is perpendicular bisector. Okay, any two PE जो है वो क्या है, line bisector children. So for any two you can write PE, PE, this one PE, this one is PE. So PE bisector of, okay, what they asked, perpendicular bisector of which line? You can write DF, you can write DF, you may, okay, perpendicular bisector of DF भी लिख सकते हो. And here let me, and this one PE perpendicular bisector of CG भी लिख सकते हैं, CG. Understood? And B PE is bisector of BG भी लिख सकते हो. Anything you may write, children. Okay? Okay? Understood? B here 1 2 3 1 2 3 up to BH लिख सकते हो. BH perpendicular bisector of BH. PE first C से देखो ये 2 यूनिट हो गए CG and DF, यहाँ पे 1 यूनिट 1, यहाँ 2 आ रहे हैं, and here BH तक कितने आ रहे हैं, 3 यूनिट. So both side 3 3 and 1 1. Okay, so you can write perpendicular bisector of many. Any two you have written. Next, D. Are these true? AC is bigger than FG. AC is bigger than FG. How you will come to know? AC. Now let me erase this. First, AC, okay, more than FG. First, we will measure AC. How much AC? AC, children, 1 unit, 2. So, AC is equal to 2 units. And FG, F here, sorry, F and G. FG is equal to 1 unit. So, AC is greater than FG. So, it is true. CD is equal to GH. CD. This is CD1. GH. GH. This is also 1. GH also 1. Understood, children, what I am telling? CD is 1 and GH also 1. So this is also true because both are equal. BC is smaller than EH. BC. Now we will see for BC. BC. Here it is. You see here this one BC 1 unit. Okay, this is 1 unit. And EH. EH. That is 3 units. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. So BC is smaller than EH. So it is also true. I hope you understood this exercise. Now we are going to start next exercise, children. 5.6. I hope this is 5.6. Yes. So before starting 5.6, let us discuss few terms used in this exercise. On the basis of these definitions, you will be able to give the answers. So first definition, types of triangles on the basis of their angles that you have learned. Okay, first is right angle triangle. Second is acute angle triangle. And third is obtuse angle triangle. That already you have learned in 5th class also. Okay, so what is that? If one of the angle is 90 degree in triangle, then it is called right angle triangle. Okay, right angled triangle. In short, I have written. And if one of the angle or all the angles will be less than, okay, 90 degree, then it is called acute angle triangle. If one of the angle of a triangle is more than 90, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. So this was about the 3 types of triangles on the basis of their angles. And another, okay, another definition, that is types of triangle on the basis of their line segment. If children, if all the sides, okay, I am drawing again, if all the 3 sides are equal in measure, okay, suppose 3 3 and 3, then it is called equilateral triangle. If two sides are having equal measure, this one 4, this one also 4, and this is 5, then it is called isosceles triangle. If all the 3 sides of triangle having different measures, okay, so what is this triangle called? Suppose this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, so what is this? That is called scalene. I hope you understood. And here I will give you that you see here the definition given in your textbook also. Let me see where these are given. Yes. Now children, here you have to write from your textbook, okay, naming of triangle based on sides. So what is that? Okay, a triangle having all the 3 unequal sides, that is called scalene, that I taught you, and you can see the diagram drawn, C and E figure in the book also. Okay, so you have to, before doing this exercise, you have to draw as well as you have to write the definitions used in this exercise in your notebook. A triangle having 2 equal sides is called isosceles triangle, and diagram given. A triangle having three equal sides is called equilateral triangle, that I explained also. Now naming of triangles based on their angle, that also I taught you. Each angle is less than 90, then triangle is called, okay, acute angle. If one of the angle is right angle, then it is called right angle. If one of the angle is greater than 90, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. And okay, so here they have drawn for you also. You have to, okay, copy these definition along with diagrams. Okay, you have to take help of scale. Without scale, not rough work will be done. Okay, now first question on the basis of these definition, I am going to start. Name the types of following triangle. Very easy. Simply, if those have learned the definition, they can give the answers very quickly. Triangle with the length of side, this, all these are different. So this is what, which type of triangle? That will be scalene triangle. Which type of, okay, scalene. If triangle ABC, these, this and this, again you have seen that all the triangles have, all the sides of a triangle ABC are different, so that is also scalene. Then if in C you have seen all sides are equal, then it will be equilateral triangle. Okay, in short I am writing, you have to write completely. If one of the angle of triangle is 90 degrees, so what it will be? Right angle triangle. If one, again one angle is right angle and other two sides are equal, then what is that? Right angle isosceles right angle triangle. Here it is written, you see here, isosceles right angle triangle. I am not writing, I am only explaining for you. Okay, you can write, you can listen and write in your notebook. Now triangle LMN with angle L, 30 and other 70 other. So all these angles in a triangle less than 90, so it will be acute angled triangle. So I hope you understood. Now the next question, you have to match three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length, equilateral triangle. Okay, obviously you know that if three sides are having equal length, so it will be equilateral triangle. Now next one, two sides of equal length. If two sides are having equal length, then which type of, okay, that will be isosceles. Where it will be isosceles, where it is, yes, isosceles G. Okay, I am taking time to find out where it is written. Okay, isosceles is G. Now next one, third, all sides are of different length, so that is A, scalene. Okay, three acute angle, that is acute angle triangle, where it is written F. One right angle triangle, that is D, and one obtuse angle, that is C, obtuse angle triangle, and one right angle, two sides equal, just now I told you, that is B. I hope you understood. Now name each of the following triangles in two different ways, on the basis of sides as well as on the basis of their sides and angle. Okay, here first we are going to discuss here, children. These are different, these are two sides are equal measure. So what will be on the basis of side? This is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and all first answer, what will you write in the first? You will write isosceles. Okay, first you will write isos, wait, isosceles. Understood? Isosceles, and all the angles are less than 90. So what is that called? Acute angled, acute angled triangle. So that is 2. Understood? Same way, children, in each and every figure you have to write two types of triangle on the basis of angle as well as on the basis of their sides. So here all the three sides having unequal measure. So what is that? That is called scalene. So here it is called Scalene. What is that? Scalene triangle. And another one angle is 90 degrees. So what will you write? Right angled triangle. I hope you understood. So two ways. And here you have seen 7 centimeter. This is 7. And here what is that? Here, okay, two sides are equal, third is not written. So on the basis of two, that is reflecting, this is different. Okay, so two sides are same. So that will be isosceles again. Okay, and next obtuse angled triangle. I hope you understood. And same way, children, all these three parts you can do. Okay, these three also, this is two isosceles and 90-degree right angle, and all the equilateral triangle one, and all angles are less than 90, so acute angle triangle. Same way you can do all these parts. And next you can do in activity, children. Fourth, try to construct the triangle using the matchstick. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchstick? Yes. Okay, we can. And if you can't make anything, okay, which type of, okay, if 3 matchstick we will use, then we can make equilateral. If 4 matchstick you can use, then can you make, okay, you have to think like that. Okay, so we can't make with the 4. Okay, 4 लेंगे तो नहीं बनेगा. Okay, so in 4 you can't make. Yes, equilateral. With 5 matchstick can you make? Yes, we can make with 5 matchstick, because 2 here we will use and 1 here we will use. So that will be I with 5. And 6 matchsticks. Yes, with 6 also equilateral triangle we can make with 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, like this. Okay, so it will be equilateral. So I hope you understood. You can do this sum in activity and can be asked in exam also, that you understand. Okay, so we will discuss about few sums also, in if I will get the time to discuss about some important sums, then I will discuss with you. Otherwise you prepare all the exercise for exams also, test, unit test also.